Paying someone to build a shed can be a costly affair. Nothing quite beats doing it yourself. You'll put in the best effort you can because it belongs to you, and this is very different from hiring strangers to build a shed for you. Furthermore, you'll have bragging rights to tell your friends and family that you did it yourself. The problem here is that most people just do not know how to go about building one. Doubts and questions plague them. They have no clue about the tools required, the dimensions, or the designs. Thankfully, Ryan Henderson created My Shed Plans. This collection of shed plans is massive, and there are over 12,000 shed plans here. Ryan is an experienced woodworker with more than 20 years of experience under his belt. He has been building sheds for others for years. To actually build a shed is a relatively large undertaking, and you have to be well prepared. To start off, you must have a good plan, and you can definitely find one among Ryan's collection. My Shed Plans is one of the top-selling guides online, and it has thousands of satisfied customers. To be an online bestseller is not easy, but this product is so good that it still ranks as one of the top products in the woodworking niche. What you will love about My Shed Plans. The size of the collection is its biggest strength. You are spoiled for choice, and you'll definitely be able to find a shed plan that suits your needs and preferences. All designs and projects come with full woodworking plans. The schematic blueprints are detailed, yet easy enough to follow. The instructions are written in language that is simple and concise. To make things easier, you're also provided with illustrations so that you will roughly know what the finished shed is going to look like. Each project comes with a material list so that you only buy what you need and not more. This will save you money and reduce waste. People who start a project without a plan usually buy way more than what they need. That won't happen to you here. The package includes bonus shed plans, DWG CAD illustrations, and garage plans too. This makes things easier for you and gives you more variety. My Shed Plans is backed by a 60-day refund policy. If you can't find a shed plan that you like, highly unlikely, you can always get your money back. Despite the refund policy, this product has a very low refund rate because it is that good. Considering the size of the collection, the pricing is ridiculously low. This is definitely value for money. What you need to know about My Shed Plans. The collection is massive, and it can be overwhelming to the average person. 12,000 plans is a lot. To overcome this problem, decide beforehand what you want in a shed and roughly what it should look like. Then find a plan that suits your need. Don't simply skim through all the plans without knowing what you want. If you do that, you'll be undecided because everything looks good and you won't know which to pick. My Shed Plans is only available online. You'll need a computer with a working internet connection to purchase and download it. Why you should get My Shed Plans today. If you want to build a shed and need a shed plan, you might as well pick a package that has 12,000 plans to choose from. Each plan has whatever you need, from specs to illustrations. All you have to do is pick one and start building. It doesn't get any easier than this. Yes, you should definitely get this product. It'll make things much easier for you.